Jesslyn.
My name is Charlie.
My name is Andre.
Now I'm going to tell you what the definition of narrative text is. Narrative text is a type of text that retells the story in the past, either real or fictional, about events or experiences.
Okay, response belong to Zona. Next.
What is the purpose of narrative text? The purpose of communicative target is to entertain and amuse the readers or the listener about the story.
Okay, response is belong to
Tell you about the structure of the narrative text. Are you ever hear about the current structure? Maybe in subject, Indonesian subject, maybe. The first one is orientation. Orientation. This is introduction where the character, setting, and time are introduced. The next is complication. The main conflict or problem is introduced. Kenji, please. Attention. I will repeat. The next is complication. The main problem or conflict is introduced. This is the central struggle that the protagonist must overcome. Resolution. The main conflict or problem is resolved. Story is must and then concludes, showing outcome of the struggle.
It's time to begin
The
the
last
seventh
is
lesson.
the orientation or modal. This is optional. It means you have a choice. This is a concluding section that provides summary or key statement of moral value.
whose part is this? Let's start.
Language feature of narrative text. Noun. Noun is a word that replaces people, animals, or objects in the story. For example, is stepmother and church. Two is past tense. Past tense is using verb in the past form verb two. For example, when, at, met, and soon. Time connective. Time connective is a time connector to sequence. For example, after that, after, and before.
Action is not that denotes is part of action. For example, is crime, state, and aid. Embedded text cited is a verb that describes a noun or object. For example, is little point and big cat. Saying and making verb is a verb that indicates speech. For example, is said, talk, and talk.
Next. Zona, dua kali ya.
Kinds and example of narrative text. Fable. Fable is a short story and involves as characters that teach a moral lesson. For the example is the tortoise and the hare, the ant and the grasshopper, and the last one is the lion and the mouse. Myth. Myth is a story about gods, hero, and gods, supernatural being or creation, often explaining natural phenomena. For example, the myth of Hercules, the story of Medusa, and the last one is the creation of the sun and moon. Nah. Legend. Legend is a story about heroes or origins of places, partly based on history but with imagination. For the example is the legend of Manikunda, the legend of Sangkuria, the legend of Ronodongga, the legend of Lake Toba, and the last one is the legend of King Arthur. Fairy tale. Fairy tale is a magical story, usually for children, with fairies, witches, or talking creatures, often ending happily. For the example is Cinderella, Rapunzel, Sleeping Beauty, Frozen.
Folktale, a traditional story passed down orally from generation to generation. For example, Mas, Bawang Merah Bawang Putih, and Malikunda. Science fiction. Science fiction, a narrative threatening future science, technology, or other space. For example, a robot and the science thing.
Alright, I'm going to tell you what the genetic structure of a fairy tale called Princess Elvira and the Golden Door. Next slide. Orientation. Characters. Princess Elvira, Lumo the Dragon, the Fairies, and the Dark Shadow. Complication. The Dark Shadow tried to take over fairyland and bring fear to the magical world. Resolution. Princess Elvira defeated the Dark Shadow and brought peace back to the magical world. Reorientation or coda. Princess Elvira returned back to the forest and went back to the castle with a happy mood. And a secret about the magical world only she knew. Today I will discussion about language feature of Princess Elvira and the Golden Girl. Princess Elvira and the Golden Girl. One is simple past tense. The marker is blue. It's walk, rear, step, arrive, minute, and half. Two is time connective. The marker is orange. This one day, she has come closer, and when she returned. Three is action verb. The marker is purple. Is walk, step, right, fight, give, and return. Four is adjective. The marker is green. Green. Shining, magical, golden, beautiful, dark, small, and glowing. Five is thinking verb. The marker is green, new, and was serious. The last is notes. The marker is pink. Castle, princess named Elvira, and a princess named Elvira, Momo, castle, fairy, and fairy's lake.
That is all about our presentation. We're sorry
sorry if there were any mistakes. Thank you.